Hey guys, welcome to another adventure of AB Family. And as you can see here, we're on Icon of the Seas, and we're just waiting for one of the events. So if you do happen to check your app, again, this was the steel pan event, so we just wanted to stop by and let the kids play some steel pan. So it's the Royal Caribbean Entertainment. So at this time, they're already setting up. We're just waiting for the guys to get ready, and stay tuned for some more. So we'll pop. Hey guys, it's me again. So as you can see, it's not really the authentic steel pan, so I guess it's limited by space. So there's like little, I guess, kiddie steel pan, so they can practice on. Because if you guys know about steel pan, the different instruments are bigger than this, depending on the instrument that you have or you want to play, either the guitar or the bass or the tenor. All right, so we're just waiting for them to set up. I know it might take a little while. Well, we usually get there usually like 10 to 20, 10 minutes earlier, so that way the kids can have a chance to play. So they're just playing on the surf side at the moment, running around, having fun, drinking a mocktail as you can see, and we're just enjoying the surroundings and waiting for everything to get started.
Luna, come here. Era. Sleeping? You got the notes? Notes here. BCBC. Other, you want a different one?
Hey guys, it's me again. So as you can see, the Steel Pen Pro is actually in action. She used to play pan when she was younger, as well as myself. So we're just giving the kids a chance to get to learn how to play pan, and there's notes that you can follow. And there is somebody playing around, probably going down the slide. She's not interested at the moment. So that's a pro in action again. And, stay tuned.
Oh, see? You slide it down. Look, slide it down with your phone.
Oh, okay. My stepfather from Guyana, he plays on the Princess. He's got a whole band on the Princess ships. Your dad? Oh, cool. Oh, he plays super good at the guitar. Cute. Give me my phone, please. Have a go, Maria.
You gotta just hit the letters. They hard. Drizzling. This baby shark again now?
He's doing it. I'm gonna put it on that.
should have had it like, they should have had it something to hold it so they can see it.
Roll, roll, roll the boat.
Oh, yeah, drinking your drink.
Are you drinking it? Why don't you have a go, Amira? Play the letters.
Baby song again now?
He's doing it. Go. Hit it. Harder. Yay. Hey, good job. Nice. Nice.
I hope you guys' eardrums are okay. I mean, you gotta try it out, you know. Let us know, like, what particular events did you go, or did you like doing while on board Icon of the Seas? We like this one. This one's the kids get to enjoy. Well, Ayam gets to enjoy playing steel pan and, you know, learning different notes. Mara, as usual, running around sliding down the slide, or probably looking for ducks. As I mentioned before, we call it a duck witch. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.